Good morning, everyone. So, if you all are searching for a YouTube channel to learn English, either from basics, or you all are starting, or you all are in Bihar board and just have switched to English medium in your college, or you are in class 6th, 7th, and want to join rkmv Sainik School, etc., then this is the best channel. I can assure you, Satish sir is a very experienced teacher, and he is my personal mentor too, and you can see the results in me. If you want to speak English clearly, then you can join his channel, his Telegram channel. Here he will provide you notes free of cost, and if you have cleared your basics, then to learn advance, you can also join this channel.